Stay powered, stay connected. Wherever you roam, one device has you covered. Meet DJI Power 1000 Mini. Ultra compact and easy to take anywhere, built for your boldest adventures. The integrated 400-watt car charger keeps you powered up on the road. Enjoy tangle-free charging anywhere with a built-in 100-watt retractable cable. Great for life on the go. With 1 kilowatt-hour capacity and high-efficiency output, stay powered for every adventure. Keep exploring after dark with a built-in LED light bar. Stepless brightness adjustment for any situation. So quiet, you won't even notice it while you sleep. Rain or dew? No worries. Its high-reliability design stands up to tough conditions. For creators on the move, DJI Power 1000 Mini delivers uninterrupted power in a compact, space-saving design. Step on with confidence. The built-in MPPT solar charging module makes it ideal for outdoor adventures. Power your Mavic 4 Pro and other gear quickly, so you never miss a shot. Power out? With 10 millisecond UPS mode, your computer stays protected during power outages. Its high power output easily handles appliances like a 1000-watt microwave. So movie night goes on. Durable and flame retardant, it withstands heavy weights and extreme temperatures. Once power returns, it recharges fast and is ready whenever you need it. Whether you're on the road or at home, DJI Power 1000 Mini gives you freedom, reliability, and peace of mind in one smart design.